Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake. I'm here with Tom from NOD, and we sell one of their products, Formic Pro. It's a formic acid-based product to treat for mites. Tom's going to tell us a little bit about it. So tell me, Tom, we saw you phased out Mite Away quick strips, and now you sell Formic Pro instead. What were the reasons for that?
Yeah, great, Frank. Good to talk to you. Mite Away quick strips was a great product. It was our main product for quite a few years. One of the big challenges that we had with the Mite Away quick strips was the 12-month shelf life. And that was really problematic for our resellers like Mann Lake and for some of our commercial beekeepers. So basically what we did was we created Formic Pro, which gave us an extended shelf life. So it's good for 24 months, 2 years, but also it's a much more stable product. It stores well in buildings that don't have climate control or in warmer buildings. Same good selling features as the Mite Away quick strips.
Will this product still kill mites under cappings?
Absolutely. We have 2 treatment options. What we call our 14-day treatment, 2 strips for 14 days is what we recommend for under the cap kill.
Two strips between brood boxes?
2 strips. If you're running double brood boxes, both strips in the heart of the brood nest between your 2 boxes.
Okay, and what's the other treatment option?
Our second option we call our 1+1 option. 1 strip for 10 days, followed by a second strip for 10 days. That 1 strip would also be in between your 2 brood boxes if you're running doubles. If you were running a single brood box, you would put it on top, and then you can put your supers on top. What we're doing with the 1+1 is basically we're going to be killing you under ideal conditions. You may get some penetration under the cap, but most likely we're killing just sporadic mites.
Right.
So if you don't have a really high mite load, smaller colonies, a good treatment option.
Perfect.
But you got a big strong colony with a heavy mite load, you want 2 strips under the cap kill.
Perfect. It's a great product for beekeepers who want to keep things more toward the natural end of the treatment spectrum. Very natural product, highly recommended.
And of course, another main selling feature, you can use it with your supers on during the honey flow. Will not contaminate your wax or honey.
Yep. Good. Available for the honey supers on, you can still use it. Thank you, Tom. Appreciate it.
Pleasure. Thanks, Frank.